Hi guys, it's Rach from ACO, and today I want to talk about drills. I absolutely love designing drills, and over the years I've come up with some really fun ones for my students, and I've been able to observe what actually makes a good drill. So let's start with the 3 conditions for a great drill. Number 1, a good aerial drill is going to target your deficit, the thing you're actually struggling with. If a drill is not targeting that, then it's not actually helping you achieve the skill. Number 2 is that a good drill is always going to zoom in on a particular part of the movement pathway. It's going to amplify that moment in time, and it's going to make it really hard so that nothing except good technique will solve that problem. And that's a really important thing, because if you are practicing the whole thing over and over again and not actually focusing in on the one aerial movement pathway that is actually needed to unlock this skill, then chances are the only thing that you're conditioning is compensation, and we'll talk about that later. Number 3 is that a great aerial drill is going to set the conditions for failure. A good drill is actually going to be not able to be done with compensation. Everyone is going to achieve the same skills slightly differently. But there is such a thing as compensation that is unsustainable. Compensation that actually means that you're doing a trick using a strength you already have, and that is not sustainable. Now, ironically, by being so strict about these conditions being present in a good drill, I'm actually making it easier for more individual differences to exist within technique. So if you make a drill very specific to the thing that you struggle to do, that means that you are not falling back on your strengths to achieve the movement. You're not just reinforcing things you already are good at doing. You're actually tapping into a missing part in your aerial repertoire. And that is going to mean that other skills that require that specific aerial movement pathway are also going to become easier. It's also going to mean that you're going to know your body better. If you struggle with compression, for example, that might not be a problem. That might just be that your body achieves skills that require compression using a different technique. And that knowledge is invaluable, not just for the skill that you're chasing, but for any other skill in your aerial repertoire that is asking compression from you. So I want you to think about those 3 conditions. Does it target your specific deficit? Does it zoom in on one particular moment in time of the greater movement pathway? And does it set the conditions for failure, or can you still sort of use compensation to make the movement happen? If not, then your aerial drills might not be helping you as much as you think. So if you enjoyed my thoughts about what makes a good drill today, this is what we practice in class. Classes are free for ACO subscribers, and you can come and have my eyeballs on your aerial movement, and I can help you develop a technique that is sustainable for you. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more aerial tips about how to make your aerial movement more sustainable and more you.